Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to get all the unique values in JavaScript array or how to delete the duplicate values in JavaScript array. Alright, so for that I have to create a function here, get unique. Alright, and it will take the three parameters. The first one is for the value, second one is for the index, and third one is for the array itself. And it will simply return self.index of value equal to index. Okay, so this is a function that we will be using inside the filter function. So I'm gonna define a simple array now. As you can see here, I have defined my array and some of the values are repeating itself. Okay, so we're gonna simply remove the repeating values and get the unique values only, okay, using the filter function. So I'm gonna write my array. First I have to write the console log, okay, and console log my array, and we have our array here. Alright, so I'm gonna use the filter here, and in the filter I'm gonna simply pass my get unique function. So now let me just run this and see how does it work. So as you can see here, our filter function in which we have passed the get new function simply remove all the duplicate values from our array, and this is how you can get the unique values. And this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.